Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine. तो ये बहुत ही important topic है जब आपकी GS पेपर 3 की बात आती है. It's a very important topic from the perspective of GS paper 3. And we are going to provide you the PDF of this lecture also on our Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. So without any delay, let's start the session. Session शुरू करते हैं without any delay. Here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched UPSC CSE GS Plus optional combo. In this combination package, you will be provided with UPSC CSE GS Plus plus UPSC CSE optional on Unacademy Plus, both on Unacademy Plus. And another combo is UPSC CSE GS Iconic subscription plus UPSC CSE optional plus subscription. So if you go for this iconic subscription, the benefit is that you will be getting a personal coach. Personal coach who will guide you from prelims till your interview. He will or she will provide you with the study tracker, will help you to manage your time, be consistent in your studies, and will also give you mains related question practice, question and answer practice, will evaluate your answer sheets as well. Plus optional के साथ ये combo आ रहा है, यानी कि आपके optional subjects भी cover होंगे under the guidance of this personal coach. So over here you can see the combination price also. If you just opt for optional subscription, the fees is 70,000 for 12 months. But if you take the GS Iconic Plus subscription along with optional, the fees will be 88,000, and this is a discounted fees. Plus you will get additional discount of 10% if you use this code Sharma20. अगर आप ये कोड शर्मा 20 या अर्पिता 10 कोई भी इनमें से कोड यूज करते हैं तो आपको इजीली 10% डिस्काउंट भी मिलेगा आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. ठीक है, कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन आप लेते हैं. So it will be better if you take the combo subscription, because here your GS papers will also be covered, prelims and mains, plus your optional will also be covered along with your interview preparation. The link is given below in the description box. Do click on the link and subscribe to Unacademy Plus today. And also get 10% discount by using the code Sharma20 or Arpita10. Let's start the session. So first of all, let's understand why it has been in news. ये news में क्यों रहा है ये समझ लेते हैं सबसे पहले. The first indigenous, underline the word indigenous, vaccine against pneumonia developed by Serum Institute of India will be launched. In July, India's drug regulator had granted market approval for the pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine. This vaccine is relevant for your pneumonia. ये आपके pneumonia के लिए है. In case a person who is suffering from pneumonia, अभी तक vaccine नहीं थी, अब ये vaccine approve कर दी गई है. India's drug regulator has approved this vaccine right now. And how? First of all, let's understand from prelims point of view how pneumonia is spread. Pneumonia कैसे फैलता है? Now, the infectious agents, that means the bacteria, virus and fungi, these are the agents which carry the pneumonia. First is Streptococcus pneumoniae. It is the most common cause of bacterial pneumonia in children. And Haemophilus influenzae type B, it's the second most common cause of bacterial pneumonia. Okay, which can sac the person's respiratory tract also. Then air sacs. Air sacs in an infected individual's lungs become inflamed due to deposits of fluids and pus, making it painful and difficult to breathe. So these are the different, you can say, ways through which pneumonia aggravates in a person's human's lungs. Let us understand about this vaccine. अब इस वैक्सीन के बारे में समझ लेते हैं. Now, what is pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine, PPSV23? This is important for prelims. The students who are preparing for 2021 or 2022 or even 2023, make sure whatever vaccines have been released this year or are going to release next year, you should prepare them for your prelims mains exam, also the interview. Now, this vaccine will protect against the pneumococcal infections. And this, PPSV23 will protect against 23 types of pneumococcal bacteria. That is why the number 23 has been attached. Pneumococcal bacteria के 23 प्रकार होते हैं जिसके खिलाफ ये आपको help देगा. Now, these are some important terms from prelims perspective. They can ask you the meaning of these terms. First is conjugate. What do you mean by conjugate? So, conjugate is a type of vaccine that joins a protein to an antigen in order to improve the protection of the vaccine provides. ठीक है, प्रोटेक्शन जो कि वैक्सीन प्रोवाइड करती है उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये कॉन्जुगेट यूज किया जाता है. इट लिंक्स द प्रोटीन टू द एंटीजन. Polysaccharide, it's a type of vaccine that is composed of long chains of sugar molecules that resemble the surface of certain types of bacteria to help the immune system mount a response. ठीक है, So the immune system can easily respond if in case the bacteria or virus enters because of this type of vaccine called polysaccharide. Okay? Moving forward, government is planning, this has been in news, the government is planning for nationwide rollout of pneumococcal conjugate vaccine under Universal Immunization Program. First, let us understand what is Universal Immunization Program. Universal Immunization Program was launched by government in 1985. Why this program was launched? To prevent mortality and morbidity in children and pregnant women against 12 vaccine preventable diseases. That is why this program was launched. ये इस program का main aim था. This was the main aim of this program. Okay. First point is clear. ये point clear हो गया. Now under this program, free of cost vaccine is provided against 12 vaccine preventable diseases. What are the 12 vaccine preventable diseases? First is tuberculosis, diphtheria, then pertussis, tetanus, polio, hepatitis B, pneumonia, meningitis due to Haemophilus influenza type B, that is HIV. Then measles, rubella, Japanese encephalitis and rotavirus diarrhea. These are the 12 vaccine preventable diseases against which free cost of vaccination is provided. And this program is one of the largest health program in the world also. So this vaccine will be provided under the UIP, that means it will be free of cost. ये free of cost होगी. Now according to government estimates, a countrywide rollout of this pneumococcal conjugate vaccine would require about 50% of the budget of UIP. दैट मीन्स इसमें से सैलरी, स्टाफ की सैलरी, इस्टेब्लिशमेंट कॉस्ट, ये सब माइनस किया जाएगा और जो बजट है यूआईपी का उसका 50% यूज किया जाएगा. इट इज द कॉस्टलीस्ट वैक्सीन इन द यूआईपी बास्केट. It covers 50% of the 26 million birth cohort in Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, UP and Rajasthan. It was first brought up into the UIP basket in 2017. That means under UIP it was first brought up in 2017. Okay, point clear. Now the cost challenge for India's immunization program is set to mount, that means increase further, as Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization is set to withdraw its support from India from 2022. So what is Gavi? This is important again for prelims. We know that Gavi is withdrawing its support from India from 2022. That is why the price of PCV is increasing. What is Gavi? It's an international organization which brings together public and private sectors to create equal access to vaccines for children. So since it is withdrawing its support from India, the funding will be used from UIP, that is government's funding will be used. That is why PCV's cost will be increased for the people who can afford it. Okay. So what is pneumococcal disease? It refers to any illness, underline any illness caused by pneumococcal bacteria. किसी भी तरीके का illness जो कि pneumococcal bacteria की वजह से होता है वो pneumococcal disease है. Symptoms is many types of illnesses can be seen, including pneumonia, infection of lungs, etc. Anyone can get pneumococcal disease, but children under 2 years of age, people with certain medical conditions, adults 65 years or older, cigarette smokers, they are at the higher risk. So this was important facts about the pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine for prelims 2021, 22, even 2023. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.